good morning, this is Deepak here, and today we are going to unbox and try out an exciting product. So we have, for that what you need is this one, a power bank and a mobile application. Alright, so let's begin with unboxing what we have here. And it's a nice fabric cloth. Ta-da! So what we have is a backpack actually, and it's a fantastic backpack. Let's check the inside what we have here. So we have this compartment here. We have some more compartment here. So we have the cable here. That is why we need a power bank. And brand name is Pixoo backpack. Okay, so this is it. It has a nice foam cushion at the back and an extra pouch here. Alright, so let's get started. This is what it is inside. Now, second thing is we need a power bank. So let me turn it on. Okay, so plug it in. And let me show you the magic. Okay? Ta-da! Look at that. It's a Pixoo backpack. It's a Pixoo art. Now, the thing is, I need an application just to show you. So we'll just find it out here. So it's gonna search the backpack now. Okay, it's connecting. Allow pair. Boom, it's connected now with the backpack, Pixoo backpack. So we can change different. Okay, optimize by remote control, fix bug. Update. So it's asking to update some files. So else, I don't know. I think it's a normal software update what we have to do. So let's give it a time. But it looks fantastic. So now the thing is, with this application you can customize the pixel art to your heart's content. Like there are different types of pixel art in it to the application. So let's give it a try. Yeah, let's wait for a couple of more seconds. Alright, success. So now let's try this one. No, it's not working, is it? Is it connected? Yeah, it's connected to Pixoo backpack. Alright, so you can see there. Go back. Look at this, look at that. This is working amazing. Look at the hat. Nice. So that's it. So guys, this is something very exciting and it's fun to wear it around. Have a great day.